So shout out to everyone that likes the night. Today we're gonna be doing a quick little thing about color. This is a technique that a lot of people use. They shoot night scenes during the day, and then they use post-production techniques like software Premiere, like you have, to convert it to make it look like it was shot at night. Okay. So here's a quick example of what I did earlier. So you can see the original was during the day, and then the second one was at night. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna learn a couple things about color along the way, a couple of terms. We're gonna learn how to pre-compose images, how to resize them, and how to apply a lot of color effects. Now my Premiere might look a little different, but it should have the same features. Okay. So I'm gonna go to New Project. I'll do period 6. Garcia, day to night. Okay. New project sequence. And you're going to go to AVCHD to new EP24. You always want to use that setting, okay, for anything that we do in this class. So sequence, same thing, day to night. And I'm going to call this original. Okay, if I go to my project, window project, you'll see day to night original, okay? So we need to find a clip. I went to videos.pexels.com here, and I found this deer. Okay, so I'm going to use this, and I'm going to drag it in. Okay, keep existing settings. Okay, so a couple things. This isn't the right size, so I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to go to Windows, Effect Controls, or click on the tab, go to Motion, and change this so it fits. Okay, this one's going to be 150, just so we have it. Okay, and that's our original. Okay, now we're going to copy this sequence. You click, right click, duplicate, and then we're going to call this night. Okay, then you have to double click on this night one. Go ahead and close this original one and double click on the night one. Okay, so this is a process. There's better ones, ways to do this, I think, but this is one that I think will work in any color. Okay. Alright, so we're going to go to the window effects, and then you'll see all these different video effects here and color correction. Okay, that's what we're doing. So that's one of the keywords I'm going to use, color correction. As you can see, there's different ones you can use. There's brightness, all these different ones. Okay, we're going to learn a couple of these. Okay, so the first one we're going to use is the fast color corrector, and it's a lot of things you can change, but we're only worried about one thing, where it says saturation. Okay, I'm going to bring this down because at night there's not that much color. I don't know if you noticed. So for me, I think I'm going to do 25. Okay, and that's it for this effect. So if you want to do a little quick color correcting real quick, this is a good one. The next one we're going to do is RGB color curves. RGB, remember, is red, green, blue, like the back of your TV. And we're going to use this feature right here, okay? Hopefully it's still in your software. So now I'll have to look at a different way. So first thing you do is where it says the master, this is white and this is black. So we're going to make it so that there's less white. Okay. So for me, it's about there. Okay. And we're going to make it so there's less red. So you click here and just bring this down over. So there's less red. And we're going to make it so there's more blue. Because Hollywood teaches us that at night the color is blue. Okay. And to me that looks pretty good. Okay, so that's it for that. Now here's a trick. we're gonna make a copy of this and put on top and add some different features, okay? So you're gonna hold down Alt on yours. It might be different, might be the window key, but it should be one of these. And then you're gonna click on this one and delete the effects that we just added. So delete this one, delete this one. And on this one, we're gonna add tint. This is gonna let us change all the colors here and then mix it with the bottom one to get a better effect. So we're going to say everything white. We're going to get to one of those blue colors, okay? So I chose a bluish color here. Yeah, that's fine. And we're going to use opacity. Take this off. And we're just going to blend it with the bottom one. Okay. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay. Alright, so you're going to create a new sequence. Put project new sequence. And we're going to resize everything side to side. Okay. And so we're just going to drag this one in here. And then this one here. Okay. Then we're going to put these side to side. The original and the night one. So we're going to go to motion, scale 50, and bring this over to the left. And then on this one, click it, 50, bring this over to the right. Okay. And then we're going to add a title, default still, and we're going to say original, and then day to night. Okay. And pick a nice font, don't go crazy with this. So if you see your titles here now, just drag it up here. Actually, let's do 15 seconds. There's the example. Okay. Okay. So 15 seconds comparison, and then we're going to copy the night one and have it play 15 seconds by itself. Okay. And change this back to full size. You just hit the reset button here. So if you ever want to shoot when you're shooting your dramas in the future, you're going to make sure you set your output. You're going to make sure when you shoot a night scene, it's really good not to shoot the sky. And here you go. Here's a technique for you to do it, okay? So you don't get jumped or anything outside at night. Alright, so export H.264, same thing as always. Go down to YouTube, 1080p at YouTube. Change it to like 16, good. And give it a name. 6 Garcia D2. And export it, check for 30 seconds. Good, good. Export it.